Please stand for the national anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
We acknowledge the traditional custodians of our country throughout Australia and their connections to the land, sea, and community. We pay our respects to these elders, past and present, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders peoples today.
Flag reminds us that Australia is our home. We respect our parents, friends, teachers, school, and community. We believe that everyone is important and deserves a fair go. We want to make Bethel a fair, safe, and happy place for everyone.
A reminder that Breakfast Club is on every single day. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Come down to the building from 8:30 onwards for all your breakfast treats. Best part about all this, it's free of charge, which means you will not have to pay a cent. Make sure you head down to Breakfast Club.
Hi, I'm Nella. I'm the Community Hub Leader here at Bethel Primary School. I run programs for parents, so come and join me. We've got lots of exciting things happening this year, so check out our timetable. We have our Tune Into Teens program running every Tuesday morning, and our playgroup is now over at our kinder site on Thursdays. Thanks.
On Thursday, some grade 5-6 students attended AFL Gala Day held at Dallas Brooks Primary School. We have been completing daily training sessions to prepare us for this day, and it was great to put our skills to the test against other schools. It was a thoroughly enjoyable day as we got to experience playing AFL in a safe environment. The girls' team made it to the grand final but lost in a high-scoring games against Dallas Brooks Primary School. The boys played the third-place playoff game. Despite getting off to a strong start, the boys' team conceded an early lead to lose. Thanks to Miss Munkham and Catherine, who helped support and organize the day, let's hear from our footballers who will share their thoughts about the day.
My highlight from AFL Gala Day was playing with our peers and collaborating together.
My favorite part was playing and having fun and having a chance to get the ball.
Part was when we won once, even though we lost twice, we still had fun. My favorite highlight from AFL Gala Day was having a chance to get the ball and help my teammates out.
My favorite highlight was when I got to play with my peers and try to get the ball.
My highlight about AFL Gala Day was about when I was playing with my peers too, and also how I was getting a chance to get the ball and also kicking the ball.
My highlight for AFL Gala Day when I did the rock and hit it to my teammates.
My favorite highlight from AFL Gala Day was when I got subbed on and tried my best.
My favorite part for AFL Gala Day was when we won a game. It was really exciting, but unfortunately we lost the other games.
My favorite highlight about AFL Gala Day was when I scored multiple goals.
Favorite part about AFL Gala Day was getting to share the experience with other schools and kicking goals.
My favourite part about AFL Gala Day was when I got a few goals and a few points.
My favorite part about AFL Gala Day was when we won 2 games and we got second place.
My favorite part in AFL Gala Day was when I scored multiple goals and a few 6-pointers. We did get tackled, but it was fun. Other than that, my favorite part of the AFL Gala Day was being able to play on the field and having lots of fun. But I really loved the whole entire day.
My favorite part about AFL Gala Day was having fun with the other school and collaborating with Bethel.
My favorite part about AFL Gala Day is for the girls team we won second place. My favorite part about AFL Gala Day was marking the ball because no one could tackle me while I marked it.
My favorite highlight from AFL Gala Day is making other friends and playing with other people and meeting new friends.
My favorite highlight of AFL Gala Day was when I got tackled by like 5 girls and when I scored a goal.
Big kick coming.
This term, the focus of the music program was exploring percussion instruments. Percussion instruments are the musical instruments whose sounds are produced by striking, shaking, or scraping. Here are some of the students from Foundation, Grade 1, and Grade 2 creating their own music using percussion instruments. Next week, we'll showcase Grade 3 to 6 students.
Hello everyone, I am here to give our House Points update for the week. So this week in 4th place we have Laura Keat on 654 house points. In 3rd place is Rosella on 770 house points. 2nd place on 773 house points this week is Thornville, and Kingfisher is on 862 house points this week. There's only a few weeks to go before the end of term, so keep showing our school values and earning those house points.
Hello girls, boys and school community. It's been a really big couple of weeks here at Bethel. So when I think of this week, I think of AFL Gala Day. Well done to our grade 5 and 6 legends who went along on Thursday and did themselves and the school proud, with the girls team finishing runner-up, and I heard the boys team did an exceptional job too, so really well done to those teams. Also, girls and boys, we put up our parent-student-teacher conferences up yesterday. So in a few weeks, we'll have that on the 3rd of July, the second last day of term, where we're inviting parents to come in and sit down with you students and your teachers and discuss your progress this term. So make sure you're jumping on Compass and you're booking your time slot in. And last of all, last week was a really important celebration for many of our families here at Bethel Primary School, where we had many of our students and much of our community celebrating Eid. Hope you had a fantastic time with family and friends in that joyous occasion, because I know it's a really special time for many of you. So hoping you had a fantastic celebration. All right, we've only got about a month left, or not even a month left, about 3 weeks left before the end of term. So let's make it a strong one. Let's finish strong here at Bethel in term 2. So until next week, that is me signing up.